Top foods for a better smelling vagina. Having trouble keeping your vagina smelling sweet? Then this video is for you. All women sometimes feel unsure about how good their vaginas smell. But the good news is there are several all-natural foods that you can eat that will leave your vagina smelling sweet. Are you ready to discover these all-natural foods for yourself? Pay full attention, take some notes, because here they are. Number 1, watermelon. Watermelon flushes out your system and helps to clean your vagina by preventing infections and getting rid of weird smells and tastes. Number 2, pineapple. Pineapple is famous for sweetening the smell of vaginal secretions. Number 3, plain yogurt. Just make sure to stay away from sugary yogurts. They can actually make your vagina smell worse. Sweeten yogurt naturally with honey. Number 4, mint. Try drinking some peppermint tea and then notice the difference in your vaginal smells. And number 5, cranberries. Natural cranberry juice, not the type full of sugar, and cranberries in general help to cleanse your body, flushing out bad bacteria and smells. So there you have it, the all-natural foods that create a sweeter smelling vagina. But if you'd like even better and more powerful results that lead to better sex, you'll want to use VTight Gel. VTight Gel will help you naturally tighten and contract vaginal walls, immediately restore lubrication and eliminate dryness, restore vaginal moisture and suppleness, all leading to better and more enjoyable intimacy. So click the link below to get VTight Gel. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment or question below. There are even better ways you can have better sex, boost your confidence, and improve your overall sexual health. I put together a free ebook guide that shows you how you can naturally tighten and lubricate your vagina while also achieving more pleasurable orgasms. It's 100% free. You can access it immediately by clicking the link below in the description or by typing into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. Again, you can type into your browser www.naturalsexyhealth.com. I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoyed this video.